Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about what is UI action in ServiceNow. UI action defines buttons links. Okay, when we click on that button, code will execute behind it to perform the action. Okay, UI action execute not only on the form, we can implement UI actions in list view also. Okay, so for today we will implement one use case for UI action. So this is the incident record, right? So we are going to implement one button here, UI action button, like a demo UI action. And when we click on the demo UI action button, in the caller field, this caller field will display with the current logged in username. Okay. And the email will display with the and the email field will display with the current logged in user email. And we will insert some text in short description field. Okay. So let's implement this use case. So first go to UI actions, right click configure and click on UI actions. Click on new. We will define one name for this UI action. Demo UI action. And for incident table, right, we are going to implement this. So I have selected as incident table and order you can give anything. And in the action name, currently we are not going to give this UI action name, guys. Okay. By default, UI actions are server side. Okay. In today's video, we are implementing UI action for client side. Okay. To convert client side UI action to server side UI action, then we need this action name. Okay. Because we have to call this action name in the GSFP form submit. Okay. But here we are implementing the client side UI action, right? So action name is not required here, and click on this client checkbox because we are implementing this UI action for client side, right? And you have to mention the on click function here. And we have to call this, we have to use this function name in the script body. Okay, then only that particular code will get executed here. Function. Here we have to set this caller field with the current logged in username, right? And also this email we have to display with the current logged in user email. So let's see, we will write script for those two actions. G underscore form dot set value. What is the field name? Caller ID, U underscore email and short underscore description. Okay. G underscore user dot user ID. Email, right? U underscore email. G underscore form dot get reference. Caller ID, right? We need email of that caller ID. Dot working email. Okay. And we have to set the short description with some text. Yeah. Using set value method, we have defined the current logged in user ID in the caller field and the current logged in user email in the caller field. Sorry, in the email field, and short description like UI action. Okay. So first let's check on this form button. Let's save this UI action. Okay, now we'll refresh this incident record. Yeah, if you see earlier there was only two buttons, right? Submit and resolve. Now we got demo UI action button also. Okay, so we will click on this button now. Yeah, if you see after clicking on this button, UI action button, the caller name has been displayed here in the caller field. Okay, this is the caller name, current logged in user name, and this is the email of the current logged in user and the short description as UI action. Okay, so this is the short description, right? We have written here UI action. Okay, so here let me tell you what all this option means. So just we'll check all these options. Yes, see form button, form context menu, form link. Okay, so this is the form button, demo UI action button, and here also you can see that. Okay, and this is the link. Okay, demo action UI link, form link, and this is the form context. Okay, demo UI action. Okay, form button, form context menu, form link, and let's check in the list view also. So UI action can implement in the list view also. Okay, so let's open the incident list. Here if you see list. Okay, see list banner button, list bottom button. Okay. See list banner button and list. This is the list bottom button and this is the list link, guys. Okay. This is the list link. Okay. And I will tell you this form styles also. Let's click on first primary. Okay. So I will show you for form style. So for list style also it will applicable same. Okay. So form style. Okay. Primary. See currently it is looking like this, right? So we'll refresh this form. Primary means it will highlight with blue color. Okay. Then we will change this form style to destructive. Okay. Let's refresh the form. See now it got changed to red color. Okay. And again unstyled. Unstyled means it came back to its original position. Okay. Yeah. That is so the form styles. Okay. So the same style is applicable for list view also. Okay. So no need to check this one. Same styles, primary, destructive and unstyled. But for list style. Okay. So this is how we can implement the buttons in a form. Okay. Using UI actions.